Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Omega swatch, so the moon swatch, look better on your wrist. So eliminate this part from facing yourself by actually replacing this part with the other end, so switching in between them, and your Omega swatch watch is going to look a lot better. So guys, in order to do this, you need to actually replace the watch strap. So to reverse these two parts, the Omega part is going to go at 12 o'clock and the swatch part of the strap is going to go at 6 o'clock. In order to start working on your watch, you are going to need a small pin remover that has this single pusher on one end for the drilled lugs and the two teeth on the other side for cases just like this one. Now I would recommend going online and purchasing a basic watchmaker toolkit, link in the description below. This is great if you want to start working on your watches, if you want to adjust watch straps, replace watch batteries, replace watch straps, and actually start working on your watches. Also, as you can see right here, I have a small bubble wrap, so a piece of bubble wrap on the table so that I do not scratch the crystal, the watch case, as I work on the watch. You can also use a piece of material, so a cloth, in order to protect your watch. So we are going to use this small pin remover. Once again, link in the description below. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. And what you want to do is to place it on one side and go at an angle, as you can see right here. Apply a little bit of pressure, so make sure to have the pin placed in between these two teeth, and you are going to apply a little bit of pressure and drag it inwards so that it actually gets outside this part, just like that. As you can see, these two parts right here are actually flexible, so you can actually apply a little bit of pressure. They will go inwards, and that way the strap will pop out. Now I'm going to apply the same principle on the other side as well. Make sure to take your time, because this material, this bioceramic material, can actually be scratched very easily. Just like that. So now we have the two pieces. Now I'm going to place them back on the watch and I'm going to reverse them. So this part, the Omega part, is going to go at 12 o'clock, so not at 6 o'clock as it was placed originally, and the other one is going to go at 6 o'clock. So let's do that. Now what you want to do when you go the other way around is to actually make sure that you have one pin placed inside the first hole, just like that. Now make sure to have this as parallel as possible, so almost facing the exact position where the hole is. Now using the same part with the two teeth, you are going to apply a little bit of pressure and place the pin inside, and you can move it around a little until you hear a click. When you hear that click, you know that the second part of the pin went inside the second hole, and that way you now know that it is fully inside. Guys, if you found this video useful, please consider hitting the thanks button and supporting our channel. This way we can keep creating free content for watch lovers just like you. We are going to do the same thing on the other end as well, just like this. So it goes inside the hole. Now we are going to use the part with the two teeth. Apply a little bit of pressure, it goes underneath, you hear the click, and now we have it in. So as you can see, guys, right now we have this part, so this loop at 12 o'clock, and the other part, so the longer part of the strap on the other side. So this is how it looks the other way around. As you can see right now here at 6 o'clock, you do not have that bulky part that faces yourself, and also this loop seems to be a little bit smaller. You can also tighten it a little bit more, and you are going to see that almost nothing appears at 12 o'clock. So this is a very nice and quick hack that you can do by yourself at home, and you can actually improve the look of your Omega Swatch watch. We also have another video where I actually show you how to place it on a NATO strap or on a leather strap. So if you are interested in that, make sure to watch the other video as well, link in the description below. Once again, you are going to find links for the watchmaker toolkit and for the pin remover in the description down below. They are very useful tools and I would recommend to buy them. So that was the video, guys. If you enjoyed this type of content, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.